Hey guys, so today I am back with a product review. I got these products from Bellavie Naturals. They were sent to me and I'm going to be doing an unboxing first and then I will be letting you guys know what I think about these products. But this is how the packaging looks. Everything looks so cute, so I'll be going through everything that's in the box. The packaging is very cute and honestly this came right in time because my hair is straight and I've been needing to wash it and get back my curls, so I'm pretty excited. So I got this scalp stimulator, which is pretty cool. So when I do my oil treatments, I'll definitely be using this. It has these balls on it that actually move, which is so cool. I've never seen a scalp stimulator like this, so this is pretty neat. So yeah, it has little balls, so when you glide it on your scalp, I'm sure this is gonna feel so nice. I received a hydrating shampoo, and this shampoo is sulfate free, paraben free, alcohol free. It has hibiscus, sugarcane, acai extract, sunflower, horsetail extract, cactus flower, semburi, and golden seal. All of that sounds so good. And as I turn to the back with the ingredients, it's basically a list of natural ingredients, which I like. It's a pH level of 6 to 7. It says it's safe to use on extensions. It's specifically designed for all hair types. It gently cleanses and moisturizes the hair. So I'm excited to see if I feel that moisture. But yep, this is a hydrating shampoo. Received this hair. Oh, these are scrunchies. I love scrunchies. These are so cute. I love these. You can never have too many scrunchies. And this is a hydrating conditioner. It's called the Tropical Breeze Hydrating Conditioner. And it has the same ingredients as the shampoo, so hibiscus, sugarcane, etc. This one is a pH of 4 to 5. Safe to use on extensions, blend of botanical extracts that will moisturize and rejuvenate your hair, leaving it soft while adding body and shine. I'm excited about that. And again, all natural ingredients. So I'm going to do a smell test here. Oh my gosh, these smell heavenly. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. Like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow. It really does smell like something tropical. The conditioner has less, like it has a slight scent like the shampoo, but it doesn't hit you as much. But to be honest with you, I love when my shampoo has that nice refreshing scent because that's what's going to help set the tone for nice smelling hair for a good wash week. So I'm pretty excited about this conditioner here. And I don't know, I may use this to style my hair because I do that with conditioners all the time. She did not indicate that this is supposed to style your hair, but like I might use this as like a leave-in or something like that. Or maybe not. I don't know what I'm doing yet, so we'll figure it out. But so far, these smell amazing. This is the hair oil that I received, and if you know me, you know I love a good scalp oil. It says now that you can actually use this as a scalp treatment. You could use it for daily use or split end care. So, use it for everything. And it has a lot of natural oils, light oils, so this is definitely going to help if you do pre-poo like myself, because it has things like argan oil in there, jojoba, apricot, vitamin E, pumpkin seed, lots of lovely oils in there, nothing that is too heavy. So you can use this on your scalp, you can use this on your shaft, and I'm definitely going to enjoy using this one here. So yeah. And this is just the info packet I received. This is the owner. She is gorgeous. She's actually from a Caribbean island as well, St. Lucia. And it says that every ingredient in our product is thoroughly researched and approved by our founder, Theona. Our products are inspired by the Caribbean culture, known for using natural ingredients to heal our bodies. They never test on animals. They're sulfate, paraben, and alcohol-free brand committed to maintaining quality products for your hair and extensions, any type of hair that you have. So pretty much this is the background information on the company. You guys can also check this out on her website. And her Instagram page, you can just go on Bellavie Naturals on Instagram, and then she'll have the link to her website there, so you can read more about her and why she started her hair care products. Hey guys, so now I'm just going to be going in with the hair oil here. I'm going to be applying this to my scalp as well as on the ends of my hair. Now I normally leave oils in overnight, but just because I'm going to film this video today, I'll only be doing about 30 to 40 minutes and then going in with the shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to start off with this as well as use this scalp stimulator here. I'm very excited. And my hair is actually pretty tangled right now, so we'll see how this goes. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, it's an essential oil, but it just smells so clean and so nice. So far that is definitely one thing that I love about this brand. I have no complaints with how anything smells. It's not overpowering, but it's definitely, it does have a, like exactly what she said, it's lightly scented, and it's not, I don't know if it would cause irritation on some people, but I mean, it's not heavily scented, so that's a plus. I can't get over the smell of this. Like, these products smell amazing in general. Like, I am obsessed with good smelling hair products. Like, I don't like anything too strong. Bellavie Naturals, they're actually coming out with more products. So they just have a shampoo, a conditioner, and then they also have hair vitamins, and then the scalp oil. But she did tell me that they're working on creating some more products, so I'm really hoping that a curling cream is coming soon, because I would definitely get that, because so far just the scent alone. But we'll try the conditioner and the shampoo and see how it goes from there. So far though, this oil is amazing. Like, I really love it. I really love it. And it says that you can use it daily, and now I see why, because it's very lightweight. So if you just want to apply a few drops to your scalp, like when you're styling your hair like daily, then definitely I would say go ahead and do that. And I'm going to come back with the price points on all of these. I know the shampoo and the conditioner retail for $18 each, but you get more than what I got. That was just probably a sample size, but I'll confirm that at the end. Guys, this scent is amazing. I just can't get over things that smell nice. Have my heart. They have a place in my heart. If a hair product smells clean, smells fresh, like, you have a place in my heart. Oh, why am I using my fingers when I have this? Oh wow, guys, this feels so nice. I'd use this in the shower. Ooh, this feels so good. And it's like a comb. Oh, I love it. Guys, this is my new favorite device. Like, this is so cool. I love this. This feels nice. So yeah, do this about like 5 minutes, massaging it in, and then I'm gonna go under the dryer, and then I'll see you guys when I'm rinsing this out, so we can get our first impressions on the shampoo and the conditioner. Hey guys, so I'm back. I had the oil in my hair for about 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna rinse this out with the shampoo, follow up with the conditioner, and let's see how it works. Okay, so starting off with the shampoo. I should have done that for you guys to see. So that's how it looks. It's a bit runny. It feels like I'm having like a spa moment here right in my shower. So this is good. I'm just going to use this. Hey guys, so it is the next morning. I ran out of storage on my phone yesterday, so I didn't get the conditioner part. So I ended up just leaving the conditioner in, and I'm just going to rinse this out, see how my hair feels, and I might apply more conditioner just because I'm going back into the shower. But yeah, so we're going to do this part again, so just bear with me. This is my hair, and it feels really soft. Like you can see, I can still comb through it. I still feel the product, so I know I have enough in it. I'm just gonna rinse it out. Show you guys the consistency. So this is it right here. Thickness is pretty good, which I like. And then I love the smell. And I'm just going to apply it against my end. Love it. Oh, like my curls just look so shiny, and especially after reverting from straight hair, you know that like some damage has been done from all the heat, and my hair definitely feels super soft. So all in all, I definitely do love these products. I think they're great, they smell great, and yep, I'll be back with you guys for my styling process afterwards. Hey guys, so I'm back with everything rinsed out on my conditioner, and I just want to give my final opinion on these products. I definitely love the shampoo. I thought it was very moisturizing, and if you noticed in the clip when I was in the shower, you could definitely see that there was some shine, even though it was definitely cleansing my hair. I love the fact that it had great lather. It wasn't drying, my hair didn't feel fried afterwards, and the conditioner was definitely deeply hydrating. Like, I washed it out the next day and I could still feel like when I felt my hair in the shower, I knew that there was still product there and there was great slip to it. I could still detangle with it. So all in all, I'm very happy with the product. Healthy hair starts with the scalp, which is why I'm so in love with the hair oil that she included in her line. It has a bunch of natural oils in there. The scent is amazing. You can use it day to day because it's so light, but definitely by far my fave thing, just because oils are just very powerful. Like if you need to if you have damaged hair that you need to rectify, oils will do it. It starts from the scalp. Like, you might not see a difference right away, but you have to keep at it, keep using your oils weekly, and you'll see a difference. So all in all, I love the products, and thank you so much again, Bellavie Naturals. I really enjoyed using everything, and I hope you guys give these products a try. So like I said, you can head on over to her Instagram. It's at Bellavie Naturals, and I'm gonna leave it in the description bar as well. Thank you guys so much for watching.